Hello. Today we need to discuss about organizational behavior paper. It is the paper is in third semester students of BBA. The organizational behavior is an important subject to all the management students as concerned. Now I have to discuss about what is importance of organizational behavior. First, you should know about uh, organizational behavior is a very important to study because it provides understanding of why the people behave as they do in the organization. By the organizational behavior paper, we should study the behavior of employees, how they have to behave in the organization, and what so far they have worked in the organization, if the people are going to act or the people are going to do the work. So by this we have a different steps into the importance of organizational behavior. Into that first one, organizational behavior management. The study of organizational behavior helps to understand the organization and people in the better way. By this study, it should be help us to understand the people in the organization, how they are, and the people how to develop their relationships, and how to mold the how to manage the work, and the people are working in the organization in friendly nature or not. All these the manager is going to find by the organizational behavior topic. Okay, so it is a psychological system to find the people's behavior in the organization. First, as a manager, we should know the behavior of employees. According to their behavior, we should manage them effectively. Okay, this is the first one. And second one, OB helps to motivate employees. As you know that in every organization, as a HR manager is going to focus on employees attitude and employees psychology. So the OB study is going to find the people's mindset and how they are doing a work and what they have to face in the organization, as in the problems or psychologically or mentally. So there we should find their problems and we will rectify those, and also we will motivate the people, that means employees in the organization, for a good organizational performance into the company development. So it is a OB concern. We should motivate the employees where they have to face problem, then we will find before that and we will rectify their problems. Okay, next one, OB helps to improve the industrial relations. As you all know that in every organization we always focus on to maintain good relations, to improve the good relations between the employees. So before we should go for a relationship, we find the employees understand the employees behavior and what are the causes of negative situations, and how the negative situations are happened into the organization, and how could we rectify the negative situation in the organization. First we should know what is the negative system in our organization, how it will affect the organization. Then we will find, after we will rectify those negative issues towards organization development, and we will enable it friendly relation between the employees, and we should maintain good relation between the employees in the organization. It should be helpful to improve the productivity to our company. Okay, this is the third one. And next one, OB helps to predict and control human behavior. As you know that I already mentioned, it is a psychology of it is a psychological system to improve the human behavior into the organization. So before we should identify our employees, we should predict them, how they are, what is their mind, and how could we control them, and what is the performance levels of the organization, and why they are not able to do the work. All these we find before, then we should control them by giving proper communication system and proper counseling system to the employees to improve their performance and commitment levels to the organization for best work conditions. Okay, then by this prediction and control human behavior, we will give some commitment, we will provide the commitment of employees to do the work in the organization. Okay, next, human resource can be effective utilized by OB. The study of OB helps to the effective utilization of human resources. The knowledge of towards employees' behavior helps to manage the people behavior in the organization effectively. This means we should find how many of employees are working well and how many people are not working well. By this, we will counsel them and we will utilize them